Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the conversion won't fail. Make sure your handset is unlocked and your carrier explicitly supports Esim provisioning. Once done, backup contacts and record the physical Esim exid or IMSI. These identifiers help carrier support if needed. Next, find and note your phone IMEI and EID in settings. Carriers use those to issue the Esim profile. Make sure the battery is above 50% so the activation process won't be interrupted mid-transfer. You now request the Esim profile from your carrier. Use the carrier app or contact support for a QR code or activation code. Some carriers can push the profile remotely. Once you receive the QR, open Settings Cellular, add cellular plan and scan it, or manually enter SMDP plus and activation code. After scanning, follow on-screen steps to assign labels and select the line for data or calls. Keep Wi-Fi enabled during download so the profile fetches reliably and doesn't time out. You finish by activating and validating the new Esim, confirm signal bars, place a test call, and load web pages to ensure data works. Once the Esim is fully active, you can remove the physical Sim or store it safely as a backup. If activation stalls or service is missing, restart the phone and recheck the Esim profile. If issues persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier with exid/IMEI/EID ready. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves residual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.